Morning! So, I just got back from my walk with Dozer, which I just shared with you guys. I'm gonna get my cup of coffee now. And from the walk, I'm actually hungry. I'm not a big breakfast person. I don't do breakfast a lot of times. My breakfast is my cup of coffee. But I'm actually hungry. And I have these beautiful, fresh apples. So I think I'm going to cut these up and make an apple brown sugar syrup thing. And make some, I think I have them. Let me make sure. I do. I have the oats. So I think I'm going to make brown sugar apple oatmeal this morning because I'm actually hungry. I think the walk got me hungry. But it's really, really cold. So the leaves are really, really, really turning. And we had our first frost. And I had to turn the heat on yesterday. I don't know how I feel about all this. I don't want to turn the heat on. But anyways, so I think that's what I'm going to do and get started with my day. Today, for my other channel, I'm working on my Thanksgiving tablescape. So I'm super excited to do that. I might stick in a little teeny tiny behind the scenes clip. I don't want to give too much away because this video on my second channel, my main channel, doesn't come out to the 27th, but I got to get it filmed so I can get it edited. And I'm doing a collab, so that's my intentions to work on that today. It's absolutely beautiful, but my mom is sick. She don't feel well, so I will probably be in the house today, so I might as well just use that time to get that video done. And then I have some housework and stuff like that. So this will probably just be spending the day with me. And maybe I'll take another walk somewhere else. There's more woods. I always gravitate to the ones that are directly across from me because they're the ones I can see all the time. But there's a whole nother section of woods over on this side I've never ever been in. So maybe this afternoon we'll go in there and explore that little area. But right now, coffee is calling my name and I'm actually hungry. So I think I'm gonna make this, get working on another video, and then start my Thanksgiving tablescape. I'm really, really excited. If you don't follow me over on my main channel, you so should. I do lots of homemaking, slow living. I decorate, decor, all of that kind of stuff over there. And I'm doing my Thanksgiving tablescape on a budget. So most of my supplies, down to the plates, glass plates, came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out because most of the things I bought from the Dollar Tree so that you can do your beautiful Thanksgiving tablescape, Pinterest inspired Thanksgiving tablescape on a budget. And I went outside and I picked a whole bunch of beautiful pine cones. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So make sure you go over there. It's linked down below. My second channel is always linked down below. Go check it out. But I can hear the coffee. I need some. I've been working and working and working. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. It's going to be real quick. That's all you're getting. So make sure you tune into that video on my other channel on the 27th. But I've been working hard. I feel like I haven't done much of nothing to really like vlog worthy. But I'm sitting here trying to figure out some stuff on my computer. Watching YouTube, of course. I had this on while I was decorating the table. Isn't that a beautiful background for your table? And then while I'm sitting here looking at all this, I think I'm going to be doing some changes, like a living room fall refresh for Thanksgiving. But oh, I just love this little YouTube ambient thingamadoodle that they put on TV. I think it's just... So, I probably will update you guys again when my husband gets home and I know what we're doing for dinner. Because Friday is usually, if we don't have big plans for the weekend, like we know we're going to spend big bucks doing something special, like some kind of festival or something, we usually, you know, we'll order a pizza or something. Like it's our eat out night. It's usually Friday, unless we have something big going on the next day. Then I'll make something. So I think we're gonna order a pizza or something like that for dinner tonight and just chill because it's really cold again. And I'll probably update you then. But so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get this done on my computer. I have the tablescape to work on. I just feel like I'm doing a lot of work right now because I know I have a lot of downtime. I don't know what we're doing this weekend, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. I hope this doesn't, yeah, it's not too bad. I'm not sure what we're doing this weekend. Like, we don't have any, like, solid plans. These past couple weeks, we've had some plans, you know, with festivals and stuff with the fall. The only thing we haven't done that I love to do every fall season is we haven't gone pumpkin picking, or we haven't been apple picking yet either. So I don't know, maybe we'll do that this weekend. I'm trying to convince my husband to renting a cabin for the last weekend of October to have like a bonfire and all that stuff, but he's really hesitant about all that. I would really like to like rent a cabin and a campground. I would love to stay at an Airbnb, but I think they're too expensive. And a lot of Airbnbs don't let you take their pets, but I know some cabins will. So, trying to convince the hubs. We got what's in here? What's in here?
Garlic knots probably in that one.
Zapolis.
Is that the Zapolis?
Nobody's getting these. This is mine.
There's 2 orders in there.
That's mine.
You're not getting all of them.
Ooh.
And ours. You mean ours?
Not mine.
You said what?
And this is garlic knots.
Okay. Ding ding.
Okay, good.